Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Advent Health employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Advent Health employee login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as huv.advent.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here you need to provide your username and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type a username in the text field given for username. Then type a password in the text field given for password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot or reset password. And if this is a personal device you use often, select private to skip two-factor on future logins. So go ahead and select whether it's public or private. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you'll be successfully signed into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.